Do you want an easy way to apply custom temporary tattoos? Maybe you're looking to stay more alert and focused throughout the day. Today, we have 10 incredible gadgets that you'll want to buy. The future is now. HoverBar Duo. The HoverBar Duo is an all-new stand for your iPad or Android tablet that allows you to mount your iPad to virtually any surface using clamps or a weighted base. You can hold your iPad up to 2 feet in the air and also lower down to the base depending on your needs. This is perfect for video calls, using a second screen for your Mac, or mounting your tablet while you're cooking or following video instructions on a project. Pocket Sky. Pocket Sky is a brand new device that can help you stay awake and alert at all hours of the day without needing to drink coffee or take a supplement. Pocket Sky works just like the sun and sky do, producing a soft blue light that energizes you and keeps you alert. This is the most natural way of enhancing your wakefulness, performance, and well-being. Some studies show that blue lights can even raise your mood and keep you energized just by using them for 20 minutes each day. Most of us work in environments that are not suitable for daily living. Fluorescent lights can lead to depression, tiredness, and many other common ailments. However, natural light can quickly and easily cure this. This is especially helpful during dark, cold winter months when depression is at an all-time high. CORSAIR iCUE LT100 Smart Lighting Towers. The CORSAIR iCUE is a new type of smart lighting tower that can add ambience to any room of your home, adding some much-needed flair to your gaming setup or movie room. You can illuminate your environment with diffused colors and intricate lighting effects that will bring life to any backdrop or add soft mood lighting when the need arises. You can synchronize the light to work alongside your favorite video games, movies, or music and turn your entire room into a visualizer that brings new life to your entertainment experience. Each kit comes with 2 422mm tall towers, and they each contain 46 customizable LEDs that can work individually or alongside one another. A 1.5-meter extension cable is also included, as well as a removable headset holder. There are 11 profiles that are ready to use right out of the box as well. ZANCO. ZANCO claims to be the world's smallest, thinnest mobile phone and camera device. Smartphones seem to be getting thinner and larger, but ZANCO takes things to a new level, creating one of the most innovative phones to ever hit the market. Each phone is equipped with 2 cameras, one on the front and one on the back. There's also Bluetooth 3.0 built in, so you can use all of your favorite headsets or Bluetooth speakers with ease. One of the most interesting features is the ability to change your voice, allowing you to disguise your voice if the need arises. You can also record audio in MP3 format, and the battery will last for up to 6 days with normal use. There are 13 voice-changing effects to choose from, giving you the perfect effect for any situation. There's also a stylus tip on the end so you can use your favorite tablet alongside the ZANCO mobile phone. Upcart Lift. The Upcart Lift is the best way to finish big tasks around your home, such as moving furniture, packages, or shipping containers. This is a cart that will allow you to haul almost anything to get the job done quickly and efficiently. This hauler is a powerhouse that can lift up to 200 pounds. Unlike a normal dolly, the Upcart Lift has 6 total wheels so that you can haul it in an upright position, a slanted position, or at a 90-degree angle. You can easily tackle uneven surfaces or terrains, with this being the first hand truck to be able to go off-road with ease. It's also one of the tallest in its class, so you can easily pull it around no matter how tall or short you may be. Sensor Brite 360. Sensor Brite 360 is a new type of wireless motion-activated LED light that you can place in any room of your home. It can track your movements around the room, and its magnetic base allows you to easily attach it to any metal object, such as your bed, your fridge, or even a project table. It works automatically and will search for movement in any room without having to be turned on or off. It can detect movements up to 10 feet away and spreads a 120-degree beam of light to cover the entire room or space. It operates on 3 AA batteries and has no cables or wires to get in the way. RideAir. RideAir is a new type of air pump that allows you to effortlessly inflate tires or other items. This portable air can was specifically designed for tubeless tires and can be taken almost anywhere you go. It will quickly inflate bike tires using its pressurized canister that is filled with fresh air. All it takes is screwing the tip onto your tire and pressing the start button. You can inflate a standard bike tire in minutes, making this the perfect option for emergency tire inflation when you're on the road. It's lightweight and can fit into almost any backpack or purse, and the refillable tube comes along with a pressure gauge so you can instantly tell how much air you have remaining in the canister. If you're looking for a great air solution to take with you on your next biking adventure, this is the tool for you. Collar Perfect. Collar Perfect is a portable iron that can save you time, money, and maybe even an embarrassing first impression with a new boss. This tool was designed for straightening out wrinkled collars on your shirts, but it's also perfect for ironing ties, t-shirts, or other items. It comes with 6 different heat settings to choose from, allowing you to iron polyester, silk, wool, cotton, denim, and many other fabrics without burning them. The flip-out wings make it perfect for quick and easy touch-ups on the go, and can connect to either one 10-volt or 2 20-volt power sources. Its compact design makes it great for using when you're traveling or staying at a friend's house. UVMask. UVMask offers complete protection from the world around you, giving you a quick, easy, and effective way to disinfect the air you breathe before harmful contaminants make their way into your lungs. This is as close to perfect protection as you will ever find, with UVMask bringing in a new generation of reusable air purification and anti-pollution technology. This mask was designed from the ground up to eliminate any potential harmful bacteria that may enter your lungs. It'll keep your face cool while keeping your body healthy, and it's 3 times more effective than an ordinary N95 mask. Prinker S. Have you ever wanted to design a custom temporary tattoo that you could use at home? The Prinker S is the perfect tool to create more than 8,000 tattoos at home, letting you customize your look each day of the week. You can even create tattoos that are made to accent your clothing. There are more than 8,000 designs to choose from in the Prinker app, and you can design your own. It's the perfect device for any occasion and is safe on both children and adults. It's a great way to add a bit of spice to your party or public gathering, and will even let you test out a new tattoo idea before fully committing to it.